This line, with a total length of 16 meters, is used to complete the matching, testing, assembly, and welding of prismatic energy storage cell pack modules. Each equipment can be linked or used alone. It is easy to operate and maintain. This line consists of battery cell sorting, squeeze strapping, polarity detection, laser welding, total voltage and IR testing, cantilever crane line transfer, pack assembly and cantilever crane unloading, etc. The production qualification and line utilization rates exceed 98%. This system offers strong adaptability, high flexibility, increased productivity, and high automation and intelligence. For more information, please contact us at www.better-tech.net.